pink stuff, or more specifically, pink stuff in nature. There's not a whole lot of pink things. Like you've got flamingos. In Indonesia recently, we found a beach with pink sand or pink beach or whatever. Today we're hoping to find arguably the most pink thing in nature you can find, or maybe even two of them. So if you like pink stuff, come on a little road trip with us. Look, there's purple there. Possibly the windiest bike ride of my life, but still so much fun. Why is it so windy? Couple snacks, fuel up, breakfast. Let's go. Okay, so breakfast this morning is in a small town called Tizimin. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. We're at a place called Kiko's Taqueria. It looks fantastic. They've got a bunch of fried shrimp, fried fish. I feel like we made the right choice. How's that for breakfast?
En cuenta de las 6, doña Claudia.
Gracias, amigo. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Very, very nice people. Super delicious seafood. So, time to get back on the road.
Like some tourist information.
Hablas inglés. Yeah, do we, if we want to go around here,
Yeah.
do we go this way?
Yeah, you can go in this way. Maybe if you want to enter, we have 3 options.
Okay.
By walk,
Yes?
with the bicycle,
Bicycle?
or with the car.
Okay.
With the safari.
All right. Sí. Gracias. Thank you, amigo. Okay, so we have now made it to Los or Las? Los Las. Clearly, I have not learned my lesson about audio. If you're wondering what audio is actually better, iPhone or GoPro, neither. They're both awful. Okay, when it's perfect conditions, it's not that windy. They're actually not that bad, but on a day like today, I should have known way better. The wind was, even my shotgun mic doesn't sound good. How am I expecting you guys to listen to this when I can't even sit here and understand what I'm saying? So what I was trying to explain to you guys in that incredibly windy environment is we were at Los Colorados, which are these beautiful pink lakes in a town called Los Colorados. What has historically been just an area that salt has been gathered essentially since Mayan times has now become a little bit more of a tourist attraction also. So they have a big building that they've been developing for tourism, and they've got bike rides and jeep rides around. You unfortunately can't just walk around for free anymore. It was pretty pricey. So instead of paying the hefty fee for what we could already see from the parking lot and a little bit down the road, we just decided to have a little peek and then go check out the town. Instead of me talking your ears off, I will just show you. Okay, so we're on our way home now. I was just about to stop to get some more amazing drone footage because the sun is setting, but we have now we've just come through a little town and we saw this stadium earlier. We were wondering what it was. I think it's some sort of bullfighting ring. So we're gonna go check it out. There's a little entryway here. You don't have to pay anything, so Let's go see what's going on. Now we've come around to where it's all really happening. The initial bit there. Oh, gracias, amigo. We've got some dudes giving us some beer. We've got the first bowl. I assume there's going to be multiple this evening. I think that first one was kind of like a... Gracias, amigo. That first cow they had in there was kind of like a sacrifice. We've got people lining up over here now to get free meat. So they've actually immediately butchered the cow and yeah, made big cuts of it, and now all the locals are lining up. So presumably the actual sport is about to begin now. So
Oh, he's the one who bought him.
here we are again, my main crutch of 2022. Me thinking that after a full day of filming, I can just go home and wing the ending, when in reality, I seemed to be too tired and also not really know how I'm gonna end my videos. And this truly is a massive problem. I mean, I'm a sucker for a good story, and here I am, almost ruining all of my stories with an awful ending. When traveling and filming, there are four main buckets or four main areas that you need to cover. Seeing things, filming things, editing things, and planning things. Now, what order those are done in, well, you know, that depends on the traveler and what pace you travel at and how many places you're going, how long you're traveling, etc., etc. For me, seeing things and filming things can be done together. Sometimes not always in the easiest way, but for the most part, you can do them both simultaneously. Editing things, well, that obviously is easier done at nighttime or in the mornings, so you can still enjoy the places you are actually visiting. And for me, what has taken a back seat in 2022, up until now really, has been the planning of things. Because in reality, juggling all this stuff while trying to really enjoy your travels can be quite the challenge. Now, by no means is this a complaint, because of course I love what I do and I love where I'm doing it. But it's just a reminder to the actual reality of what this is. I mean, I even forgot about the actual paid work you have to do. You know, if some of you have remote jobs, or like myself, remote editing work or whatever it may be, there's a lot of other stuff that is involved in this as well. Fact of the matter is, I'm still figuring all this out. My storytelling ability, my craft, my style, and just how to balance all this. And the fact that any of you are sitting here watching this right now makes me extremely grateful for where I'm at. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.